Jesus, we love you, Lord, we love you, Lord, we love you, Lord. The God of creation, there at the start before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of light. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born. In the vapor of your breath, the planet formed. If the stars were made to worship so alive, I can see your heart in everything you've made. Every burning star, a signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises so alive, so will I, so will I. Oh, God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, no syllable empty your For words you have spoken, all nature inside is follow the sound of your voice. And as you speak, 100 billion creatures catch your breath, evolving in pursuit of what you say. If it all reveals your nature so alive, I can see your heart in everything you say. Every page is kind, a canvas of your grace. If creation still obeys you so alive, so will I, Lord, so will I, so will I. If the stars were made to worship, so will I. If the mountains bow in reverence, so will I. If the oceans roar your greatness, so will I. For if everything exists to lift you high, so will I. If the wind goes where you send it, so will I. If the rocks cry out in silence, so will I. If the sum of all the praises still fall shine, then we'll sing again 100 billion times. You chased down my heart through all of my failure and pride. On the hill you created, the light of the world, abandoned in darkness to die. And as you speak, 100 feet and failures disappear. Where you lost the light so I could find it here. If you left the grave behind you so alive, I can see your heart in everything you've done. Every part designed in the work of art's called love. If you gladly chose surrender so alive, I can see your heart in brilliant different ways. Every precious word a child you died to say. If you gave your life to love them so alive, I can see your heart in brilliant different ways. What measure could amount to your desire? You're the God who never leaves the one behind. Like you would again 100 billion times. Like you would again 100 billion times. You're one who never leaves the one behind.